A fire at Umina Mall has destroyed several shops.
The fire actually lifted my phone off, and when I turned it on about 7 o'clock in the morning, it was like hundreds and hundreds of messages.
Blooms The Chemist is among those shops affected, and anyone with prescriptions is urged to call the pharmacy for information on where to pick up their medication.
When you lose your family chemist, it's like, what do? They know everything about you, they know all your medicines, they know what you should do, know what you've forgotten, yeah, so it was quite a shock.
I remember talking to the police and the fire brigade. We rescued some of the prescription, or most of them in fact.
I got a call. It was the pharmacist that we had on at the time. I'm getting a lot of call from Umina customers. Something's happened. What are we going to do? Straight away, we were on the phone to Marcos, we were on the phone to the Umina team, organising how the next week would look. But fortunately, with the help of the Blooms team, we were able to get up and running and make sure no customers were left without their medications.
It didn't sink in, and there's a lot of encouragement from local people who stood next to me and encouraged me. You'll get back on your feet and we'll be there again. Just once you open, we'll be back.
Welcome to the grand relaunch of Blooms The Chemist Umina.
Some days have been really hard. I mean, the day that the pharmacy burnt down, I mean, I was in tears thinking, where am I going to go tomorrow, you know? But Marcus was great. We were one day without work and we got through it, and here we are again, back in our own little place.
One of the first questions the customer asked me, is all the staff still here with you? I said, yes. We don't leave each other in the bad time, and we're here for the good time.
Devastated because I just had her and I wanted to eventually get her away, but I had to wait 6 months before the shop reopened again.
Probably the best thing that came out of it was just to realise how much loyalty there is in the Umina suburb, because everybody wanted to stick with the Blooms brand and stay with Marcos.
Doesn't matter when I come in, Marcus has always got a big smile. Plus I deliver a cake once a month to them, so they like that for their morning tea.
Doesn't matter what question you ask, how personal it can get. You know, they look after you, and they do it with a smiling face. Sort of, you know, it's been a bit like family, really. It's nice.
Nothing that gives me more pleasure than when the customers come in and go, you know, Kim, I need to talk to you, or is Kim here? And it makes you feel special, and the fact that I make them feel special is a really good feeling. Yeah.
I get a kiss from Kim each time I cuddle. I don't get the kiss lately. I'm using the right toothpaste.
Hello, darling. You're coming to get weighed. Come on,
Come on, Nate.
Come on, Nate.
My name's Anne Crane and I'm the Baby Club Coordinator at Blooms. I've been doing this for 26 years, weighing the babies in the local area.
Seen it on Facebook, I was like, yes, she's back again. My friends all tagged me in it because we all come, so.
Yeah. I know, I'm glad to be back to see all my babies. I've missed them, haven't I? Anne's missed all her babies. Gorgeous girl. You got your first.
I've known Anne for 14 years now. She's helped with guidance and, you know, just being there as well, as simply as another role model as such for me, because like I'm a single mum.
So 7, 8, 3. Quite lovely now, because not only am I weighing babies now, but I'm weighing babies that I weighed them. I'm weighing their children now, so that's really lovely, yeah.
8.51.
In the community, if you have your doctor and your pharmacist and your medical assistants near, then it becomes really part of your community's spirit. And so when you feel like you're ill, or you feel perhaps depressed, or you feel in some dark place, then you know you can go, and they understand who you are, and even if you're not cheery, they'll cheer you up, and they'll also know what to do to help you. It's very much part of the community, having a good pharmacy handy.
It's not just a business, it's about caring for the community and individual.
Just nice that they're back together and we can all come in and be happy again. Another little family thing happening.
This is our people, this is our community.